Hello students, welcome to VKSR e-learning classes, 8th standard social, first lesson, reading and analysis of maps. Before going to details of the lesson, we have to learn what is map and what is photograph. What is the difference between map and photograph? When it comes to map is a representation of three-dimensional geographical context of globe in flat sheet. As you know already, you have already learnt in substandard classes. Again, once we recall that map is representation of three-dimensional geographical context of globe in a flat sheet. Three-dimensional means length. It has consist of length, breadth, volume. You can get a clear picture of when it comes to map. You can get a clear picture of any land. So, and map can give us a clear picture of any physical division. What is the major physical divisions it has? What is the major geographical features it has? For example, hills, mountains, plains, and etc. etc. These are all things we can get from maps. So maps tell us what about the rainfall of that particular region, what about the people who are living in particular states and countries and regions, what about the languages they are spoken, what about the climatic conditions of that particular that means countries or polar regions, each and any physical division. What about the soils? What about the water? These are all things we can get from maps. When it comes to photograph is representation of two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means length and breadth. It can photograph also. You can get a clear picture of that particular land only. That particular land only. Map, when it comes to map, you can get a clear picture of any physical land. But when it comes to photograph, you can get a clear picture of that particular land only. You can't get any physical division of any particular area. Just the maps gives us a picture what is available for us, what is available in front of us. That only maps, photographs, we can get information, and we don't understand what is exactly happening there. From photograph we don't understand what is exactly happening there. Photograph just gives us small information. The people are going there, people are doing something, that kind of information only we can get from photograph. When it comes to maps gives us more details than photograph. Maps gives us more details. For example, maps tells us climatic, what about the climatic conditions, peoples, and soils, waters, minerals. These are all things we can get from maps. When it comes to photograph, we can't get. So photograph is just gives a picture what is available for us. This is the difference between photograph and maps. So photograph is show a real thing. This is the advantage of photograph. What is the advantage of photograph? Photograph is show a real thing. When it comes to map which can't show a real thing. That is the one differences between map and photograph. Before going to details of the lesson, first we have to know the answer. Some questions. What is the questions? Who traced these maps? Who traced these maps? From how many years human beings using these maps? When was the first map was written? And how did the olden people preserve the maps? These are all questions we are trying to know the answers in this lesson. Okay, maps down the ages. Maps down the ages. First, Sumerians who came into existence. Sumerians. Who were the Sumerians? Sumerians were the first people of Mesopotamian civilization. Sumerians were the first people of Mesopotamian civilization. Where the Mesopotamian civilization lies, the Mesopotamian civilization lies between two rivers. One is Euphrates, and second one is Tigris. First one is Euphrates, and second one is Tigris. The between the Mesopotamian lies between two rivers, Euphrates and Tigris. The between space is called Mesopotamia. This Mesopotamia is present known as Iraq. Not Iran. Iraq. Iran is Persian civilization. Mind it. Persian, Iran. This is the other subject. So Mesopotamian civilization means Mesopotamia lies between two rivers, Euphrates and Tigris. The between place is called Mesopotamia. This Mesopotamia is present known as Iraq. So Sumerians who belongs to Iraq or Mesopotamian civilization. So Sumerians were the 4,000 years they came into existence. Sumerians came into existence 4,000 years ago. 4,000 years ago means before Christ 2,000 years. AD, unknown domain, after Christ 2,000 years. Total 4,000 years. By the Sumerians who came into existence 4,000 years ago, the first people who made the maps for the first time in the world history, who are called Sumerians. Sumerians were the first people who made the maps for the first time. He made the maps. They were made the maps on the clay tablets. Clay tablets means mud plates. Clay tablets means mud plates. So there was no monarchical system in Sumerians period. There was no monarchical system. Monarchical system means ruled by kings or queens. This system is called monarchical system. It has no kings and queens in those days. In Sumerians period, made by Sumerians means the Sumerians who used to maps to show the temple lands. In those days, Sumerians period, administration is run by temples. That's why they used to maps for show the temple land on the clay tablet. And also the Sumerians who used to maps for collecting taxes. And land cess. Land cess means land tax. So these are the Sumerians who used to maps for showing temple land, for their easy to administration and easy to collect tax and easy to collect land cess. That's why they made maps for the first time. Sumerians maps were the oldest maps in the history. So they were the Sumerians. Sumerians who came from Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is present known as Iraq. Iraq belongs to no Asian country or Arab country. Mind it. Next, Babylonians. Who are the Babylonians? Babylonians who came into existence after the Sumerians. who came from in Mesopotamian civilization. Babylonians also came from Mesopotamian civilization. You know already, Mesopotamia lies between two rivers, Euphrates and Tigris. Mesopotamia is present known as Iraq, mind it. So, those Babylonians belongs to present Iraq. The Babylonians who came into existence 2600 years ago. 2600 before Christ, 600 years, and after Christ, Anna domain 2000 years. Total 2600 years ago he came into existence after the Sumerians. After the Sumerians in Mesopotamia civilization. So the Babylonians who made the world maps for the first time. Mind it, Sumerians who made the maps for the first time. But when it comes to Babylonians who made the world maps. Who made the world maps for the first time. Mind it. So, and Babylonians who used to made maps for who used to make maps in clay tablets. These were also used to clay tablets. As you know already, what is the clay tablets? Clay tablets means it's a mud plate. On it they are drawn the maps. First, Babylonians felt that the Babylonians felt that Earth has a round disc, not a ball. Earth has a round disc. Earth has a round disc, not a ball. Mind it. So, why did the Babylonians made maps? For in this Babylonian period, monarchical system came into existence. In Sumerian period, it has no monarchical system. Monarchical system means ruling by kings and queens. Babylonian period, the monarchical system came into existence. For this monarchical system used to maps for wars. The kings who are used to maps for wars and trading In those days, the Sumerians who used to maps for show the temple lands and collecting taxes and lances. When it comes to Babylonians who used to maps for wars, he invaded other kingdoms and he trading with other kingdoms, and they used to maps for trade. And the Babylonians who felt that Earth has a round disc, the Earth has consist of two circulars, outer circle. This is outer circle, and this one is inner circle. This one is inner circle. In inner circle, small rings are there. These small rings indicates towns. These small rings indicates towns, and these symbols indicates villages. These symbols indicates hills, mountains, and these symbols indicates grasslands, and these symbols indicates rivers. The Babylonian kingdom was put in the middle of the map. This is the Babylonian kingdom. This is the one clay tablet. Number of maps they are made by Babylonians. one is done for you. It is this clay tablet one is done for you in your textbook, I think. So Babylonian kingdom, which is centered, and around the small rings are indicates towns. These are indicates villages. These indicates hills and grasslands and rivers. Inner circle, outer space. Inner circle, outer space surrounded by water. Inner circle, outer space surrounded by water. This water they known as salt ocean. Salt ocean or bitter river. Salt ocean or bitter river. Salt ocean or bitter river. Inner circle, outer space, and outer circle between place consists of 7 rings. Triangular. It has consist of 7 triangular rings. It has consist of 7 triangular rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many rings consist of outer circle, inner circle, outer space? 7 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These triangulars indicates islands. These triangulars indicates islands. So this is the clay tablet of Babylonians. This is the first world map according to the Babylonians. So this is the evolution of maps. First, who made the maps for the first time? Sumerians. Who made the maps? Who made the world maps for the first time? Babylonians. Who are the Sumerians and Babylonians? Sumerians and Babylonians who belongs to Mesopotamian civilization, present known as Iraq. This entire civilization is lies between two rivers, Euphrates and Tigris, and